Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the Boat Marketplace YouTube channel. Today we're back in Essex Marina, we're with boats.co.uk and we are currently sat on a Fairline Phantom 40 foot. It's a 2004 model and it's just come into boats.co.uk, so we'll give you a little sneak peek on what this boat has to offer in this tour today. So we're starting off, as we come straight into the back of the boat, we've got this wonderful seating area, and you're probably noticing there's quite a big gap in this floor. That's where the two engines are sitting. Fantastic access to the engines there for the twin Volvo Penta engines. They're kicking off around 740 horsepower. And this is just the beginning of it. We've got a perfect sliding door, which just seals off the cabin. Lovely. And look at what is offered when we open up those doors. To begin with, table in the middle, that opens up to create a little bit more table if you want a little bit of seating area for some dining in the evening. Loads of seating space, plenty of room for entertainment, even with a TV over in this left hand corner for if you fancy just chilling in the evening, a little bit of entertainment. We've got the media set up underneath as well. It's all nicely tucked away. You can even see the JVC speakers dotted around the room. Brilliant. And now, because this is a flybridge, it's got a little bit more to offer. So what we'll do is we'll take you forward initially into the helm area where we've got Raymarine screens. You've got those dual controls for those engines, the Volvo Penta engines, like I said. It's even got a bow thrust on this. It's very handy for those windy days. And if we just take a step up, it's actually quite a nice seating area here, looking straight out forward. We do have the sun protectors up there just to keep a little bit of heat out of the boat. But yeah, that's a great view looking out the front, but the view doesn't stop there. And I'll show you what I mean later on as we take you up onto the flybridge. But if we head back towards the front again, we'll start off in the galley area. Now, one of the things that I like about the layout of this boat is how inclusive it is. The amount of boats that you go on and you're down in the galley and you can't necessarily talk to people. It's very much galley down in the cabin and seating up in the top. Well, this is very inclusive. It's almost, I would say, like an open plan kind of style. Now there's plenty of storage down here. We've got the cooker, which I believe is gas, and we've even got a sink down there with a moving tap. Even the kettle, by the looks of it, comes with this boat, which is necessary, especially when you're out in England. Nothing wrong with a cup of tea. Nice to see as well, they've got plenty of storage across the back there, just for keeping things in their places. Really nicely laid out. We've even got a little oven, fridge, plenty of storage once again underneath. And I like how the worktops are blended in with each other as well. So it gives you plenty of area for preparation and it doesn't look like it's out of place. That's really lovely. And now, as we take you forwards once again, we'll start off with the main bedroom. And we've got a wonderfully sized double bed in here. You can see there's a little bit of storage both sides, almost acting like a bedside table. Even lights at the back, a couple of portholes, just to create a little bit of natural light. But if you don't want the natural light, you've even got those curtains that you just put across. That will keep the sun out. And we've even got a small TV just in here. But the best bit about this is it even has its own ensuite. So if we take you in here, it's got a toilet, sink, and a huge shower. Well, what happens with these showers is this wraps round. So when it's open, it stays nicely out of the way, but it wraps round, creating a massive amount of room to shower in. And it's a full walk-in, stand-up shower. That's brilliant, especially considering the size of boat this is. It is only a 40 foot, you've got to remember. And then we've got that lovely mirror. That's me. Hello, everybody. Perfect. Now, one little touch I like is these doors are on magnets. That keeps them nicely secure when you have got them open, especially when you're underway. Now, as we take you forward, there seems to be more storage in the galley area. That will be for your canned foods and whatnot. But if we take you to the left, this takes us down into another cabin. This has got 2 single beds, and this is what I would suggest a perfect layout if you've got a couple of kids on board. You've got all of the circuit breakers here. Obviously these will fold up, keep it nicely tucked away, keeping it nice and neat. And yeah, that's a brilliant size. A couple of kids on here, they are going to have the time of their lives. Even more storage with the wardrobes, and again another massive mirror. And we even have access to the second bathroom from that cabin, which is brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. Another walk-in shower, toilet sink, and we've even got that mirror up there as well. I think the layout on this boat is what sells this boat the most, because there is so much room. And like I said, it is only 40 foot. So much room though. 2 cabins, 2 toilets, and it gets even bigger yet, because like I said, well, we've not shown any flybridges on this channel yet, but this is what it has to offer when you have got one on board. And here we are. So taking you up the stairs. The cushions aren't out at the moment, but we've got a wonderful lounging area at the back there. And you can even see we've got the bimini top there wrapped up, just to create a little bit of shade on those really hot sunny days, which actually today seems to be turning out to be quite nice. Might even be useful on a day like today. And then this is where it comes into its own. On the flybridge, we've got the driving area, which you can take the controls from downstairs up here. And if you're looking straight out the front, you can't picture anything better than sitting up here, looking straight out the front of the boat, cruising along. That's absolutely stunning. And again, we've got all of the controls, the exact same as what we've got downstairs, with the Ray Marine screens again. You couldn't ask for much more, and it's even a double helm seat. So you can sit up here with your friends, and if you want the entertainment, it even has its own area for a little bit of cooking. We've got a fridge down the side, and we've got a grill up the top, even with a sink underneath with that folding tap. And again, with that on top, just creates even more preparation space. The layout on this boat, like I keep saying, absolutely stunning. And the last thing I need to show you guys is, I'll take you for a quick wander up the side of the boat. Plenty of railings just to help support that, and that's another thing the flybridge does. You've got so much room up top as you're walking down the side of the boat. It's got lots to hold on to. But we'll take you all the way up the front. We've got the electric windlass, and if we look back, there she is. We've got a couple of infill cushions go up the front here. A little bit of sunbathing, as if you didn't have enough room up on the flybridge already. And look at those massive windows. That is what we're talking about. When you've got a little bit of showers coming through and you're driving, you just go in there, you've still got great visibility coming back out. It's brilliant. We'll take you back down the side again. And the last couple of features, just to point out on this boat, we've got lockers for the ropes, keeps them all nicely tucked away. We've even got a door, so if you do have your kids on board, you can close that off very nicely. We've got an outdoor shower just to wash off any seawater, and we've got storage under there for fenders and ropes again, and we even have a boarding ladder off the back. And what I'll do is I'll take a step off and I'll give you a better view from the back. There we go. Well, that is the Fairline Phantom 40 foot. Like I've said, it is currently up for sale for around 180,000. It's with boats.co.uk. But if this isn't quite what you're looking for, you fancy something else, head over to boatmarketplace.co.uk. We've got plenty of stock up for offer. See if anything over there takes your fancy. That's it from me. Please do remember to like and subscribe this video if you've enjoyed it. And we'll see you all in the next boat tour. Thank you very much. Goodbye.